them right story of my delay. Papa close file. When God stop your season, you dey smile. If them bring fear for my journey, Papa come. When heaven answer your prayer, funny like the enemy book front seat for my crying show. Papa cancel up. DJ Jerryman, no cool down. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete down. Because no prize DJ Jerryman, no cool down. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete down. Because now DJ Jerryman, no praise, no praise, no praise. DJ Jerryman, DJ Jerryman, no cool down. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete down. Because no praise, no DJ Jerryman, no cooler. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. DJ Jerryman, no
Thank you. Welcome on board. Thank you for journeying with me so far to this point. We are, according to my local time here, already midnight, and I would like to switch to worship section, and based on that I will go on 5 to 10 minute break, then resuming back for worship section. And if you just join us, you haven't followed this account, kindly do so, because you may not reconnect when I will come up again. Please kindly do so and follow the account, like and share. God bless you. I sincerely appreciate your support. Your like, your watch is already a support as far as I'm concerned, but you can believe you can still take it further by like and share. God bless you. And just like I said earlier, all the music you have been listening to so far here, they are originally produced from this studio, and I render such services also, like birthday song, wedding reception song, anniversary song, love song, that is customized as you want it, being English or Pidgin, depends as you want it. So God bless you, and if you still want to follow me during worship section, kindly follow my account, because in the next 10 minutes I will still be up for worship section. If you are interested, and I believe it will really bless you too, and we shall have another section of amazing moment. God bless you. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Bye.